Welcome to our new video. In the previous video, we study about what is WordPress and how we can install WordPress in our local server, and how we can install XAMPP and WAMP server. So in this video, we are study about what is basic of WordPress and what is the basic option will be given in our WP admin. WordPress given us what are the options in WordPress. Okay, so welcome to Precious Idea. I'm Kumar. So let's start this video. So when you start this, when you log in to WP admin, you can see we are redirect on this page which is called as dashboard. What dashboard having all that thing, and like what the option what we got when we log in, like uh, dashboard, which is also called as home, updates, post, media, pages, comment, appearance, plugins, users, tools, setting, all that thing. Okay, so let's start that. First of all, in dashboard, what you see, dashboard gives you all that thing in what is going on your website, and they given you lots of options, and you also you can able to manage all that option. If you don't want to see anything, you can also able to do. Let's start that. So you can see WordPress gives you the site health status, quick draft, this option, WordPress events and activities, and all other lots of things they are giving you. So in the status, you can see what is the health status of your website, what is the health status of your server, and all that thing. This pair part, you can see you got like how many posts you have, how many pages, how many comments, and what WordPress version will be right now in your running your system, and as well as what is your theme. Okay, and activity, whatever you activity on your website, it is completely coming here. And also this is coming from WordPress event and news and quick graph. Like if you want to if you have any idea on your post and blog, so you can come here and you can just like, let me do that. Like I have idea like this. uh, I need to create a menu. Sorry, this menu video. Okay, so I just come here, I just click on save draft. It automatically saved on our post in draft. It is not publishing all that thing. So this is very helpful for us on WordPress. So yeah, so now the next question is how we can hide this. If you I don't want this quick draft, just you can see there's option, a screen option, you can just click it, and after that you can see this called as quick draft. Okay, we don't need this, so just uncheck this checkbox. You can see this option is not coming. You don't want to see the site health status, you can just uncheck that. And if you want to see the health status option once again, then just check it and it is coming. Okay, and you can also manage this thing. If you want to the activity will be coming on the top, you can just drag and drop this thing, and it automatically coming here. And it also save automatically, no need to save anything. Okay, so the next part need to go, it is updates giving you all that updates in your website, like themes, WordPress version, what is the version we are using in WordPress, and reinstallation of WordPress. Once again, if you are any glitches, any issues are coming on your WordPress website, so you have to come here and just click on this reinstall version, install version, and the website will be automatically install WordPress and your site will start running. Okay, so they are this in this option, you can see you have that plugin update. Like right now this plugin having 5.0.0 version, but now the update will be coming 5.0.2. so if you want to update the plugin here, then you can do, and themes as well, and WordPress as well. Okay, and this themes and plugins option will be coming here as well, no issue. But I have to explain this thing. Updates having all that information about your updates on your website. So now coming to post having four option, which is called all post, add new category and tags. So what is post? Post is this, like you have to create a blog. So in blog you have to come here in post, and they have like categories and tag will be help you to for SEO purpose. Category will be help you to categorize all that topics. Like example, let me give you an example. If I am creating a WordPress website, so I have a category called WordPress. If I am talking about PHP, I have to create a PHP code related thing. So I have to create a category, and in this category I have to, if I'm publishing in a post, so I have to select that category as well. In this category you got parent and child as well. I will create a proper video for post and pages as well. Okay, so moving to the next part, which is called media having uh, media all having all that images, videos and document related thing. Like if you want to publish any document, media, all that thing will be coming here in media. Okay, so I will yeah, in this media you can able to track what is the location of your file. Okay, so here all that option will be coming. Moving to the next part, pages having all that pages. Like if you want to create your home page, blog page, service page, contact us page, this option gives you all that thing. Like you can just click here, add new, and you can create that page. And as well as all that pages will be coming on this options, like how many pages you have, and you can able to filter, and like you have to delete, or all that option will be coming here. So comment. Now moving to the next part, this is comment will be coming for only for post. Okay, post having comments and all that thing. So this all that post, whatever that post will be coming on your blogs, it is coming here, and you can able to approve, unapproved, spam, all that, and also delete. Okay, so this option will be coming here. Moving to the next part, which is called appearance having lots of categories. It totally depend on your phone, what theme you are using, what plugin you are using. So lots of themes having lots of option here. Like this is the example, like we are using 2021 theme here. So this 2020 theme having this background custom post type. We'll explain custom post type as well, so no worry about that. This is not a default option will be coming from WordPress. This is a temporary option. Okay, so WordPress gives you appearance having themes and customize widgets, menu, and theme file editor, where you can able to customize your code as well. Okay, so moving to next part, here we have plugin having, like if you want to install any plugin, and you have see how many plugins are installed here, and you can uninstall and deactivate. Like install, deactivate, delete, all that thing will be coming here. Add new having option to add new plugins in your website, and plugin file editor, where you can come here and you can write the code in your plugin, and as well as you can override all that code in plugin. Okay, moving to the next part, where is this is called as users having, like if I am user here as an admin, I have to come here, and I will able to see how many users in our website. If you want to create a new user, you can just click on add new, and if you want to see our profile as well, if you want to change your name and your password and email ID, you can able to do from here. So now moving to the next part, which is called as tools having different option, which is also dependent on the plugins. Like when you install lots of plugin which is having that option, it is coming on also here. So WordPress by default share with you these options, like available tools, import, export, health, site health, export person data, erase personal data. All that option will be coming from WordPress by default. Okay, we'll explain all that thing, like in deeply by one videos. Just subscribe our channel, like and comment, share your opinion, like how we can improve our videos as well. Okay, now moving to the next part, which is called as setting is very important to WordPress. Like your how your website works, how you can able to change your admin user, right, user uh, user email id, and how your site url will be. And also it is also helpful for your website seo. Okay. And the options, there's lots of options. Like when you install WordPress, you have got general, writing, reading, discussion, media, permalink, and privacy and policy pages. You all these options where you can able to change and your website is start working. Hope this video helps you. If you have any comments, if you have any questions, if you want to you have any suggestion, just give a suggestion. Please subscribe this channel. I will create lots of videos for you in word for WordPress and other technology as well. Okay, thank you, thanks a lot.